Hello everyone, welcome to VBA Advanced. In this video, we are going to continue to talk about indirect function. So let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So far what we have discussed is that indirect can be used within a sheet, across sheets and across workbooks. But the limitation was that the work should be open. The workbook should be open so that indirect can work. Like in a direct reference, the last value is saved, but in indirect you need to have your workbook open to keep it working, otherwise the reference error will appear. So this was from the last video. In this video, I'm going to share how to use a model which automatically updates its links within next month. Let's open our workbook. If you can see, I have these three sheets. The first one is Jan. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. The next sheet, let's color it out. It's yellow. The Feb is, let's say it is green, and it has 1000 to 4000. And then we have March, which is blue. It has 1 million to 2 million. So I want to link this sheet, this is the output sheet, with the month. Every time there is a change in a date, the link gets updated. For example, let's say today is 1st of February 2021, and let's change the date format to something more better viewable like this. So this is the today's date, and I want to link. For example, let's create a link first. Link is here, and link is equal to, let's say we want to have this Jan, so we want to have Jan, Feb or March, so it can be Jan, Feb or March. So what we need to have is, if today is 1st February, I want to know the numbers of January. Okay, so if it is March, I want to know the numbers of February, because the last month is completed, I have the numbers. So on 1st January, I want to have the numbers of January. Okay, fine. So first of all, I need to know what is the last month. How I'm going to do it? There can be multiple ways, but first of all, I want to go back to the last month. If I say 1st Jan minus 30, it is 2nd January. But what if I am in 1st March and then it is not February, it is January? So I need to find a way that every time I minus 30, I go to the last month. Okay, so let's say I use the function EOMONTH, end of month. EOMONTH. This is end of month. So if I say is equal to this, is equal to EOMONTH and this date, and let's use 0 for the timing, I'll get the last day of the month, that is 31st March. And if I change this to February, this will be 28th February, and if I say to 1st January, this will be 31st January, right? So it is simple. EOMONTH will give you the last day of the month of any given date. So if this is February and I want to go to January, the last date of January, so instead of 0, I would say -1. This will subtract 1 month from the date, so I will get 31st January. Okay, great. So the next step is to get Jan out of this date. How to do it? this is very simple, is equal to find dash within this date. Answer is value. Why? Because if I turn this into a comma, you will see there is a number. Every date has a number. So find cannot find a dash from a number. 44227 doesn't have a number. So there has to be some way else. And for that purpose, I will use a simple function, that is text function, is equal to text, text, and refer to a value, and then format. Which format I want to see? MMM. So MMM gives me the month. So this is, if you can see, this is January. So if I change here, if I go to 3, this will give me February. And if I go to 4th month, April, this will give me March. So this is what I want. So if I say is equal to this and this and A1, right? And inverted commas A1. So I have a link to a different sheet. So if I say indirect, I will get the number from the month of March. So this is the number from the March. What if I want to have February? All I need to do is change my date to 3rd month. And if I have today's date is 1st March, it will go to February, extract Feb, and create a sheet reference from that and get me value from the February sheet. So this is simple. This is how you can create a link. You create a cell address, a sheet address, and get updated values every month. You don't need to change your dashboard every month. So what about this date? I need this date to be automatically whenever, whatever the date of my system is, that should appear over here. So if I say is equal to today, bracket start, bracket close, and enter. So today is 12th February 2021. So I got the reference to the January and January A1, and I get the value from the January sheet from here. But will it get updated automatically? Yes. Whenever the sheet will run its calculation, it will check the system date. System date means your computer date. Whatever the date your computer has, it will be updated in cell C1, and your dashboard or whatever reports you have created will automatically get itself linked to the last month. So this is how to create links for a dashboard, which should automatically update to the sheet of the latest one. I hope this will help you. So if you have any comments or if you like the idea, please leave a message or give this video a thumbs up.